Hello, Namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about what each developer need to know to survive. Every day we are dealing with data, okay? Whether we are creating a normal text file or some Excel file, PowerPoint, or just we are recording something, we are using the software to see the movies, to listen the music, to access the database, to browse on internet, or just to open the web page. Okay, so there are multiple applications which we are using and giving us a interface, or we can say a way to interact with data. Okay, so we can say data is a asset and application is giving us a way to access it. Okay, and if that application is having some kind of vulnerabilities, weakness, then definitely hackers always in the hunt of finding out the vulnerabilities, and then they will exploit it and create damage to our data or our network, on company reputation, or even to damage our personal we can say information or personal reputation. Clear? So today I will discuss about being a developer, being a programmer. If you want to survive in this field, definitely you need to create a an application or software which is highly secure, so that the hacker will not easily be able to find out any vulnerability in it, and they will go somewhere else. Okay, so what they need to know, actually our developers are the frontline defense. Okay, because they are developing the application which are we use to perform our tasks, whether accessing our database, accessing the network, analyzing the data, or collecting the logs which our devices are saying. Okay, or interacting with the different interfaces of our or with different part of our company, or different data of our company, which can be very critical. Clear? So that means we can say developers are really the front side our defense system, so that they need to develop a they need to develop the software or applications which is really very secure. Clear? And what why they need to bother about the security being a developer, because they need to know only the programming language or the software which they use to create the application. Okay, but nowadays there are the lot of attacks are happening. The cyber criminals are more organized. They are working with different highly sophisticated software, and they are always in the hunt to find out the weak curry, weak we can say part of the system, where they will find it. Yes, this is the weakest part of the system. Just it is easy to exploit, it is easy to break it down, and then enter in the secure zone, or enter into the company's data, okay, or in the network. Clear? So when being a developer, if you know, yes, these are the security terms, okay, these are the security vocabularies, or whatever the meaning of that particular kind of attack or the security things. When the operation team or the security team, when say you can say blue team, will just talk about we need that type of security, they will be able to understand. Otherwise what they will do, they will just say we don't know, that's not our job. Clear? So they must aware about the applications and the security product, what they need to know. Clear? They also need to know about the threat landscape. At what point the hackers are attacking. okay, and what different tools they are used to attack. Clear? What are the weakest part of a application or software, so that hackers are just trying to crack it down and damaging the application or the data, whatever the data we entered or we are accessing with, they can have access on it. Okay, just until unless we will not aware about those landscape, then how they will be able to build a secure app. Okay, and they need to know what tools to use and how these are processing to improve the security. There are multiple tools, different companies are offering the tools so that they can create the softwares in a secure way. At the design time of a software, they can make the security as a part of their software. Okay, and even they can test it, yes, this is that working or not properly as per the security feature we want to add it, or is there any weak code or the wrong code, then this software will tell them. Okay, and if they are having the knowledge of the hackers tool, they can when they are designing their application or that's ready, so that they can use those tools to attack on their own application to find out the vulnerability before the hackers will find out. Okay, because this is the we can say if we are having a wonderful application, this is a win-win situation for the developers as well. They will get the more work, they will get the good number of customers, and their reputation will be high, so their product what they will design, that will be more in demand, and okay, and people will rely on them. Clear? And if understand why someone is just trying to attack, they need to know what is the motive behind that. If somebody is just trying to attack on their app, when they will design it, what is the motive? Until unless we will not able to think as per a hacker, we cannot provide the proper security to our application. Okay, so we need to think why they want to do it, so that we can secure as per their motive. Clear? And just we need to think always, yes, my product will be under attack. So this is not like my product is simple product, I'm not a big developer, this is the simple app or simple software I'm developing, so I need not to worry about. No, because hackers are always finding out the weakest part, weakest chain. Okay, so we need to think, yes, this there will be attack on my app, my software, then how to make it secure. In this way, being a developer or a programmer, security is also a very we can say essential part of the developing a software. Okay. So being a developer, if you want to be relevant in the market, or just you want to develop a wonderful software, then definitely you need to know about security in a way that it should be how the hackers are doing, why they are doing, what tools they are using. Okay, and you can follow me on Cybersecurity Prism, and also share that video with your friends, so that they will be able to understand why security is important for the developer as well. Okay, and in the next session I will discuss about no application is perfectly secure. Namaste. See you in the next session.